still tuned in right here to Nice Entertainment. We're still here at Pretoria Freedom Park, and we've got the legendary Aymos himself. Brother man, how you doing, man?
I'm blessed, dog. I'm blessed.
Easy.
How are you?
So blessed to have you on the channel right
cool.
here.
I appreciate it.
We're out here at Freedom Park, made in Mzansi Festival. Tell us about the energy out there. We saw the crowd going wild for your set. Yo, man, even though it was short, it was super dope.
Yeah, the crowd the energy was, you know, at the highest. It was warm. You know, I loved it. I'll do it over and over. But you know, the lineup was so tight that I had to really cut this song, you know.
Understood.
But I hope they enjoyed the set.
Oh, okay.
Well, I know they did.
No, they definitely enjoyed the set. I enjoyed the set. One of my favorite songs, Bambino, was performed right here. So tell us, any project ambitions, any new singles dropping? Tell us what's coming in the future.
I've just dropped an album, Impilo. Please go check it out, stream it. And then on the 9th of November at Impilo Palace, it's Kempton Park. It's the album launch. It's the biggest event I've ever hosted.
You heard it from himself right here on the channel.
Tickets are already moving on Combi Tickets, so please do the right thing before they sold out.
Okay, last but not least, man, if you had one artist you'd shout out right here at Freedom Park, who would it be?
Yo, definitely Lwah Ndlukulu.
Okay. Any future ambitions with her?
I'm trying to jump into the Afro pop.
Afro pop.
You know. I mean, that's where I came from. You know, I'm a piano so congested.
You came from Afro pop. That's the first on the channel. That's the first on the channel right here.
You know the song, Zaga, Zaga, Zaga.
Zaga.
Yeah, just first in Afro pop, then it was, and I'm a piano, and that's when I continued with the wave. But I'm a hardcore Afro pop, but yeah, it doesn't matter.
Hardcore Afro pop in the house. Be Nice Entertainment. We've got Aymos. Please book him for the summer. It's on the road to December 2025. Shout out your social. Shout out your booking.
It's Aymos, not Amos. Aymos, Aymos, Aymos _Shilly.
We out, baby. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.